welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my Rajbari Bawali vlog series guys, and without talking much, let's get started. So we are back in our room and we had so much that we are feeling a bit sleepy. So I'm wondering what to do, whether to go down and click some pictures or just lie down for say half an hour or something, because we have had one full thali as you guys saw, and we are worried about that. But if we go down and if we do a photo shoot or something, of course I'll take you along, and of course I'll give you a tour of the Rajbari as well. So whatever happens, I'll let you know. So right now we are inside a room, and the room tour I will not give in this video. I will make a separate video for that, because I have two rooms to cover. So all the details of the rooms I will tell you in that video. That's it, and let's see what I do. I'll of course let you know. They have a very unique way of doing the evening aarti. It's not the usual ones which you'll see in a mandir. So the priest chants the mantras and explains the meaning of it, and side by side the staff members will play the drum, which is basically dhak, and kashor ghanta, which enhances the whole ambience. So you have to go and feel the whole thing, because it's very magical, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. And after that they worship the god, and with it the aarti ends. And with this, our day one ended. We had dinner and went off to sleep. So right now I am in the breakfast area, and I don't know whether the music is audible or not, but they are playing a very soft and soothing piano music. And right now they have just served us fruits and juice. The rest of the breakfast is coming, so I will of course show it to you guys. So let's see.
So we are all sitting here. This is my beautiful mother, and Dima is sitting right there. Wait, let me just turn the camera and I'll show you. And Saurav is also sitting there. So I'll just turn the camera and show you. Dima, hi, bola. Hi, Saurav.
Hello.
We had a lot of options. We had some fresh fruits over here. We had watermelon juice. After this, we also ordered for some amazing cheese omelette, followed by some bread and butter, of course. We had some baked beans after this, and after that we also ordered for some gorom luchi, which is basically puri with some aloo sabzi and dal. Also we had ordered for tea after that, which was very tasty. After having some yummy breakfast, we started with the property tour, and first we visited the jail khana. This jail khana was earlier used for the people who did not pay taxes, but now this jail khana was turned into a beautiful gaming zone. So there was a pool table, there are beautiful antique stuffs kept over here, along with some beautiful flower vases. So of course you will have a look, and it was really very beautiful. as I mentioned, they have all antique stuffs. So this is a very old typewriter, and just beside it is this huge flower vase, and it is so beautiful. We going up and exploring the rooftop. I don't know whether you can see up there or not, that side. So we are going to go and explore that place right now. So let's go. This place is known as the Notun Bari, where there are two rooms, and it has a beautiful pond view, as you guys can see. So it is behind the main building. It is a very beautiful place, and in fact, if you remember a scene from the movie Bulbul where Porambroto smokes, this particular scene was shot over here. And there are two rooms in this section, Notun Bari rooms, where you can rent this room and enjoy this beautiful pond view. Trust me guys, it's really worth it. And then this beautiful goose came to tell us a hi. This is their recreational area, and as you guys can see, this is another unique thing which I found over there. So over here you can sit and relax and even play games. Like there is a space for carom, and then there's a space for table tennis, so you can play games over here or just simply sit and enjoy this beautiful view. This is their swimming pool area, and I think it was closed during that time because of coronavirus and all, but it is a little bit of a walk from the main building, but the walk is worth it. This is their spa, but due to coronavirus it was closed during that time. So the last part is the library, where I'll just enter and show you guys. It's a basic library, books are kept, and of course antique stuffs. The one thing which I really found interesting was this, so I of course had to take it. And yeah, this is a very basic library. There is a mirror, there are chairs and tables, and there are books. You can read books over here. And with this we were done. So after looking at the beautiful property, we headed towards lunch because it was lunchtime and we all were very hungry by then. So this is their bar area basically, and it's written over here, the veranda. I think you can see it. It's written over here. So this is their bar area, and so this is the space. And the best part is the view behind. Can you see it guys? So this is the view. You can literally sit over here and enjoy this amazing view out there. And we decided to have our lunch that day with this amazing view. Let me start with non-veg items today. So we had kochu bata chingri, we had bhetki macher paturi, and we had mutton kosha. So we had requested the chef, and the chef specially made it for us. And in veg items we had our normal shukto, dal and rice. And with this, our second vlog also ends over here. I hope you liked this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also comment down below how did you like it. Share this video with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next one coming soon. Bye bye, take care.